How to create a voice charging notification on One UI.
Connected to charger. Disconnected from charger.
Open settings. Modes and routines. Round times. Create new routine. Charging status. Functions. Read text aloud. Enter custom text.
Connected to charge.
Create new. Charging status. Not charging. Functions. Read text aloud.
Connected to charger.
Disconnected from charger.
Thanks for watching video.